All right, I'm going to show you how to clean a paint roller in about 30 seconds using our paint roller cleaning kit. This is a 3-part kit. It consists of a Paint Pot Pro, clean sweep, and a SpinFuze, and I'm going to demonstrate each of those. So you got a dirty paint roller. The first thing you got to do is get rid of the excess paint, and that's where the Clean Sweep Pro comes in. We designed this to clean the entire circumference of the roll all at one time. You don't have to go up and down it multiple times like you would with a 6-in-1. And it's designed to be used while it's on the paint roller frame. You drop it over the frame, it goes on there like this, and this shield helps keep paint off your hand. You just run it down it, and of course I hit myself with the roller, but that removes the excess paint. Now you want to knock the paint roller off. You can do that by tapping it over the side of a bucket, or we have the Paint Pot Pro, which is part of the kit. You just simply place it over the top here, fits right over that, and you just give it a little tap, and it starts it down, loosens it up. Then we're going to slide it the rest of the way off without even having to touch it or get any paint on our hands. Then the next step is to take the SpinFuze, which has a metal shaft. You chuck it up into any 3/8 inch or 1/2 inch drill. Place this into your paint roller. Snug it up nice and firmly. It's got a tapered design here, so it'll fit even variances of that size, because they do vary. It's good and tight, it's not going to slip. Now you take a clean bucket of water, spin it back and forth at high speed. We've designed this to handle high speed, and you do that only a few seconds each direction for about 5 to 10 seconds, like this. Now it's ready to spin off in a clean bucket. And in just seconds, the majority of the paint is gone. Repeat that once or twice more. Spin it off again. And it's basically clean that quick. I'm going to show you that it's clean, and there's hardly any water left in it. There's just a tiny mist that gets on you. We're going to take this nice clean rag and grip it here, and we're going to show you that there's no paint on the rag. You've got a nice clean, fluffed up, almost dry roller ready for use the next day. And you can find all this and more at ToolFuze.com, and I thank you so much for your support. We really need it in these times when YouTube is barely paying anything these days. Plus, for those of you who know us, my wife and I are still struggling with our health, so everything helps. We appreciate it. Thanks.